Ever stared at a photo only to realize half of it is just a blob of pure white? Let's fix that. Today, we're diving into Lightroom to tackle overexposure, salvaging those blown-out highlights and bringing back lost detail. Our first stop is the basic panel. The most direct approach is often the highlight slider. Simply drag it to the left and watch as detail starts magically reappearing in those bright areas. Next, we have the white slider. While often used in tandem with highlights, be mindful not to push it too far, as it can quickly reintroduce unwanted brightness. If overdone, a gentle adjustment here can refine the recovery. For a more precise and nuanced recovery, head over to the Tone Curve panel. Click to activate the point curve. By pulling down the highlights and light sections of the curve, you gain incredible control over the brightness range. See the difference? These techniques, often used in combination, allow you to rescue seemingly ruined shots, restoring visual integrity and balance to your images. Don't let overexposure ruin your favorite photos. Master these adjustments and bring your images back to life. Until next time.